nourish the germ cell. Now, the region outside the seminiferous tubule is called interstitial cell. So, the space which is present just outside the seminiferous tubule is called the interstitial space, and this space contains small blood vessels and interstitial cell, or it is called the Leydig cells. The Leydig cells normally synthesize and secretes a testicular hormone called androgen. It also has some immunological components. So, the space that is present outside the seminiferous tubule is called interstitial space, and this space contains small blood vessels and interstitial cell or Leydig cell. The function of the Leydig cell is to synthesize and secrete testicular hormone called androgen. It also has components of the immunological reaction. So here you can see the gray color part represents the testicular lobule, and then the coiled red color tube is the seminiferous tubule. And here you can see testis is the male reproductive organ. It is suspended inside a pouch. That pouch is called the scrotum. Now move on to the next part of human male reproductive system is accessory system, and this system includes testis, vas efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Accessory duct system includes retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. So, you have studied about seminiferous tubule. These tubules will pass through retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. It will pass through all these four, and then it ascends into the abdomen, loop over the urinary bladder, and then opens into the urethra as ejaculatory duct. That time it receives a duct from seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is an accessory reproductive gland. So, each seminiferous tubule pass through retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. Then it ascends into the abdomen, loop over the urinary bladder, and then finally it opens into the urethra as ejaculatory duct. That time it receives a duct from the seminal vesicle. So here you can see here the seminiferous tubule is entering into retitestis, and then it enters into the retitestis, then comes to epididymis. It will loop over the ascends into the abdomen, loop over the urinary bladder, and finally opens outside through the urethra as ejaculatory duct. And that time it receives a duct from seminal vesicle. Now, what is the function of this duct system? The main function of the duct system is to store and transfer the sperm. The main function of the duct system is to store the sperm and to transfer it during insemination. Now, the accessory gland system. This system includes a pair of seminal vesicles, prostate gland and a pair of bulbourethral gland. Accessory gland system includes a pair of seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Their secretion is called a seminal plasma. The secretion of these glands is called seminal plasma. And this seminal plasma is rich in case of fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. The seminal plasma mainly consists of fructose, calcium and some enzymes. And its function, the function of the bulbourethral gland, that is the secretion of bulbourethral gland, helps in the lubrication of penis during insemination. Now the next one is about the external genitalia. A pair of penis is the external genitalia. It is made up of special type of tissue that helps in erection of the penis and to help in insemination. The enlarged end of the penis is called glans penis. It is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. So today you have studied about only male reproductive system. It includes the main reproductive organ, that is a pair of testes, which is suspended inside a pouch called scrotum. Main function is to maintain 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature, and each testis is of 4 to 5 centimeter in its length, 2 to 3 centimeter in its width. And then you have studied about accessory duct system, accessory gland system, as well as the external genitalia. Thank you, children.